Do your drinks deserve more? Discover the future of beverage serving. Until now, serving nitro beverages was complicated and sometimes costly. But what if we tell you you can have it all at your fingertips? Meet Hardtap, your nitro beverage hub. Hardtap is not just any dispenser. It features two independent systems, allowing you to serve velvety cold brew and refreshing cocktails simultaneously. No compromises and no more waiting in the lines. Forget the hassle and the cost of nitrogen cylinders. Hardtap uses atmospheric nitrogen, infusing perfect amount to create soft, creamy, fluffy texture and unparalleled taste. And with a digital dose control, you ensure perfect portion every pour. Its compact dimension make Hardtap perfect fit for any environment. And its elegant design and intuitive controls will make it a highlight of your beverage serving point. Plus, with efficient cooling system, your beverages are served at ideal temperature every time. We thought of everything. With its simple and intuitive system, Hardtap is easy to use for anyone. And with its built-in cleaning program, maintaining the device in a perfect condition is simple as never before. Hardtap is an investment in quality, innovation, and unforgettable taste experiences. Elevate your beverage game and meet your Hardtap today.